channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing my Windows users, those who are using mobile devices, for example Android, those ones with laptops. We're going to be dealing, even MacBooks, we're going to be dealing with the Adobe Photoshop, an extension on Google Chrome, and how it works, how to install it on Google Chrome, how it will be working for you. Instead of buying the premium stuffs of Adobe, you can use this extension for free. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, I'm available in the comment section. Just comment. Let us start up our today's tutorial. Let us go and then we download the Chrome. I'm going to get that Chrome from Microsoft Edge right here. You can also get it from Microsoft Store. Then after installing the Google Chrome in your Android device, in your Windows device, or you can get it anyway, but try to get Google Chrome in your PC. Then after, you're going to go and then we search that application, Google Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share this video to your friend. And after, launch the application or open up the application. And if you open up the application, you're going to, let me first close this. Then after, I'm going to go where I search from on Google Chrome. And then I'm going to just type in Adobe or Adobe, provided that you know how to pronounce the word. But me, I pronounce it as Adobe, such that it is that extension. And then check the first in the results. Then after, wait for a few seconds. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. And then we are going to come right here. We have add to Chrome. It will take like 41 MBs to be added to your Google Chrome. I already downloaded it, and that is how to add it to your Google Chrome. And then I'm going to show you how to use that Adobe Photoshop. As you see, it is downloading right here. It is like 41 MBs. Let us wait for like 11 seconds for this to complete. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Successfully, it has been completed the download, and then I'm waiting for it to be added. And then I'm going to try it to use this extension. Try to look for any photo in either in your PC, your phone, your MacBook, or any Chromebook. So let me search for photos and I show you. You can upload photos from your mobile device, and you can be using it too. You can be using it as you use your Adobe Photoshop. Let me try to get this man, and then after I'm going to come where you see this PS icon, Photoshop icon. Check on it. This is working in your mobile devices, like Android devices, a phone. Just because we have tried to use a PC, but it is working even in phone. You can try to get those features. You can upload your own photo. You can remove people distractions, and then you can, let me try to remove the background and I show you. This one is user friendly. It has removed the background in just a second. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this with your friend. I remain Marius Tech and I sign out. Guys, support my YouTube channel. I sign out.